Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. Well, if you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please share, like, and smash that subscribe button? It definitely helps the channel grow. And for all you new subscribers, thank you for coming along with the journey. And today I'd like to introduce to you a new playlist that I made. It's called Chaffles for Life. And every now and then we're going to try to get a new Chaffle recipe for you to enjoy. And the goal is to eventually get one up at least once a day, but for now I'm just going to try to keep making them, putting them up the best I can as I get time to make them. But Chaffles are a great way to lose weight, especially if you're doing an egg fast, and they really helped me in the past, and I hope they continue to help you guys out. Now let me know in the show more what's your favorite Chaffle that you ever made, and if you had made a Chaffle before, and I make them all the time, quite constantly, and they're very good and healthy and they're clean, and you can make them a number of different ways, and we're going to try to explore eventually, probably around May there. I'm hoping to get really cranking with them and get one every day for you guys, but we'll see how it goes, and continue on with the Chaffle making, and hope you enjoy the segments coming up. And I posting this for Saturday, and in April they're going to start coming up on April on the new playlist that I got. I already got a couple of Chaffles made for those 2 days, Monday and Tuesday, I believe. But I'm going to try to get one up there every day for you guys. And remember, you guys are amazing. I love you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, and again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.